Hey, Mr. Cooper, I'm sure you have got enough better to do than sit around and watch your students teach you something about government. So here goes. I'm going to teach you a little bit about separation of powers. The ancient Greeks were the first one to adopt this policy in their government, but it became more widespread when the Roman Republic adopted it in theirs. Our Constitution introduces separation of powers in the first couple articles when it mentions the executive branch, the legislative branch, and the judicial branch. The legislative branch is the branch that's defined as being able to levy taxes, make laws, and they're the ones with the big fat checkbooks that can write checks on whatever they want. The executive branch mainly consists of the president. In the Constitution it states that he has all executive power. It says that he can control the military, and when he has Congress behind him, he can do pretty much whatever he wants. The judicial branch consists of the Supreme Court. In my opinion, it's the most vaguely described branch of government in the Constitution. The Constitution doesn't define the shape or structure of the Supreme Court. It doesn't define how many judges have to be on the Supreme Court. There have been as little as 6 judges and then as many as 9. It just, however Congress wants the Supreme Court to be filled, that's how it's done. The Supreme Court is the highest court in all of the USA, and these judges, the best analogy I can think of is one that I've been using since about the 4th grade, and it's comparing separation of powers to a 3-legged stool. Each leg of the stool has to do with one of the branches of government, whether that be the executive, legislative, or the judicial, and the top of the stool, the seat, is our democracy in the United States of America. When all of the legs are working together and doing their jobs right, the democracy stays strong. But if one of the legs decides to break off, then our democracy is going to fall. Will no longer be a strong government. There are many good things about having separation of powers in your government. I think the most important one is so we don't end up with another person like this, Adolf Hitler. All of these pictures in this production I got from clip art, and all the information I got from the one and only great Mr. Cooper.